Hello children, welcome to your English class. We are here with the first topic of your English book, and that is a lovely poem, Wake Up. Early in the morning when your mother comes to wake you up, how do you feel? You feel a bit lazy, not coming out of the bed? Yes, the same feeling is here also. The people are not coming out of the bed. It's already too late, but the people are not coming out of the bed, and that is why how the poet describes the nature, the beauty of the nature, the rising sun, the chirping of the birds, the smiling flowers, and all those things he describes just to get the people out of their bed. So let's start with the poem Wake Up. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. So, how does the poet describe the day? It's a lovely day. It's a very beautiful day. It's the starting of the day, and it's very pleasant. Oh, please get up and come and play. So, what does the poet says? Please get up and come and play. So all of you come out of your bed and come and play, start playing. It's very pleasant in the morning. The birds are singing in the trees. Come out of your bed, come out of your home, and come to the garden. Just see how the birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. And what else can be heard? The buzzing of the bees, the small bees. All of you have seen this, make a very soft and continuous noise, that is called buzzing. The soft and continuous noise that is made by the bees is called buzzing. So what sounds are described here to wake up the people? The singing in the trees of the birds. The birds are singing in the trees, and the bees are buzzing. That is the sound that the poet tells that we can hear early in the morning to wake up the people. So what kind of day it is? It is a lovely day, a beautiful day, and the poet is encouraging the people to get out of the bed, is asking the people to get out of the bed, come out and play. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. Again, the poet repeats the same line, that it's a lovely day. Please get up and come out of your bed. Let's start playing. It's much too late to lie in the bed. So the sun is already out, a sun has risen. So the poet says that come out of your bed. It's too late now to lie in the bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. So hurry up means be quick, be fast. It's too late, and now there's not much time, because after some time the sun will be too harsh, the sun will be too hot. So after that we won't enjoy the play. So hurry up, there is not much time, you sleepy head. What is the sleepy head here? Those people who are lazy and lie in the bed for a long time, what do people call them? Sleepy head. Getting up late from the bed, they are called sleepy head. So what does the poet say? So hurry up, you sleepy head. He says that now we are not having much time to play, it's already too late. You sleepy head, that means the one who is feeling lazy. To those people, poet is saying, you sleepy head, just hurry up, come out of your bed. Wash and dress and come on out. So what does the poet says? That wash and dress. So just wash your face and dress up fast and come out, come on out. Everyone is up and about. So everyone has come around. Previously the poet told us that the birds are already singing in the trees, the bees are buzzing. Now whom else he is telling that has come out? The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep. So who else have come out? The cow, the horses, the duck and the sheep. Now all are out. So you should not lie in the bed now, you should come out. The tiniest chicken, cheep cheep cheep, wake up. So who else has also come out? Even the tiniest chicken. What a chicken? The young ones of the hen are called chicken. So the tiniest chicken have also come out. So the poet is saying tiniest means the smallest one, the smallest in size, that has also come out, that has also waken up. that is also wake up. So now it's your time to come out of the bed. So why? Because everyone is awake. The birds are singing in the trees, the bees are buzzing, the tiniest chicken is also saying cheep cheep cheep, it's also making noise. So now it's time for you to come out. Everyone has come out, so you also wake up. So that was the poem by the poet, in which the poet describes the day as a very lovely day. The noises he describes here are of the birds singing in the trees, the bees buzzing in the buzzing around, and the tiniest chicken is also making the sound of cheep cheep cheep. And where does, now what idea do you get about the poet? Where does the poet stay? The cow, the horses, and the ducks. Where are the cows and the horses and the ducks and sheep are found? They are found in villages. So we get an idea from this that the poet is staying somewhere around in the village, and that is why he describes so much of beauty all around, because normally in city we do not find so many cows, horses, ducks and sheep around. So this tells us that the poet stays in a village, and he is describing the beauty in the poem, the singing birds, the chirping of birds, and buzzing of trees, and that is how he tells the people to wake up. So I hope you enjoyed the poem. Yes, thanks for watching.